Have you met the animals on my farm?
No.
No? Let me tell you a little bit about my farm. Will you sing along?
Yes!
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. With a chick here and a chick there, here chick, there chick, everywhere chick. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Look at me! I'm the chick! Cheep, cheep, cheep!
The mother of the chick is a hen, and the father is a rooster.
Look! Mommy and Daddy are feeding their baby! Cheep, cheep, cheep!
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here and a woof woof there, here woof, there woof, everywhere woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Did you know that dogs are our best friends? And they love to protect us at night? Wow, that's so cool!
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
I think I've seen a pig somewhere close by too.
Is there a farm close by that I don't know of?
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here neigh, there neigh, everywhere neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Horses live in stables and love to eat grass.
Cows love to eat grass too, don't they, miss?
That's correct, Bud. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here moo, there moo, everywhere moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. The cow gives us milk. Milk makes us strong.
I have milk every day.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here ba, there ba, everywhere ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Sheep gives us wool and meat.
My jacket's made out of wool.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here quack, there quack, everywhere quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Ducks live in ponds and give us eggs just like
Chickens!
That's right! Chickens and ducks both give us eggs. So what are the names of the animals